the easiest way to do a butterfly haircut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for being here. So today's video is going to be something that I seen on behindthechair.com, and it was basically someone bringing up the hair into a fist, bringing it all out and then cutting it, dropped it, and he made a beautiful butterfly haircut. So this could be potentially be the easiest way to do a butterfly haircut, and I'm going to try it out because when I seen it I just thought no way. But what I did think was, with all the sort of the hate that you get for doing ponytail haircuts, showing people just breaking down haircuts to make them a bit easier, instead of putting a bobble in, he just held it and then cut it. So if that makes it a bit more professional, I mean, to be honest, it wouldn't be the way I do it in salon. I would be sectioning and pulling it all up to the ceiling and then layering as so. But I am open to doing some different stuff, like throwing the rules out the window, because how else can we get creative if we're going to follow the fundamentals all the time? We want to get a little bit of creativeness into what we do. So yeah, I'm all for this. So basically, I'm just going to detangle this. This mannequin head is brand new, as you can see, because it's an absolute mess. I should have shampooed it and conditioned it, but I didn't. Just pulled it out of a box and wet it. I'm just going to detangle this, get it all up into position, and then I'm going to do this haircut, because this could be the easiest way to create the butterfly haircut, which is still a massive trend and could still be a massive trend for 2023. Right, we're here. This is where we want to be. All the hair scraped up as if you're doing a high ponytail, scraped off the face. Don't worry about this because these are already too short, those pieces there. So we know we're going to maintain the length around the bottom. What we want to do is pull this ponytail up and a fist, and you want the hair to fall around your fist. So as if the hair is growing out like there. So there's the hole in which, if you can see, let me bring it a little bit closer. There, so it's basically a hole right there. That hair's all coming around my fist. There. And basically cut it off quite evenly is what I've seen from the video. But hair's elevated, less elevation or less distance travelled from the front than the back. So we know we're going to maintain that length through the back. We know we're going to end up shorter through the front because it travels less. We know in the middle is travelled straight up, so that's going to be even less. So we're going to create a lot of internal layers through there. We're going to create shape through here. We're going to maintain the length by doing this. So without cutting yourself, I'm just going to cut quite evenly all around my fist through here, and then just marry up that side. Little, didn't be able to say little long bit, so there's a little long bit there, but there we go. So it's just like a pineapple basically. And to soften off, I've used my normal straight blade Alpha Italia scissors. Now I'm just going to grab my Evos because this is a little bit blunt, so I'm just going to put it in at an angle and then pull out, in and then out, in and then out, in and out, in and out, in and out, and then this bit at the back, in and out. That's it. What that's going to do is soften off this layer that we've got working through here. So now we'll spin it round and then we'll just drop it. So you should be able to see loads of layer through there, which is mad. And because we did it symmetrically and straight from like the middle of the head, we've got balance. Oh, you're going to kill me because I've got a black t-shirt on, but I'll move out of the way. One thing I am doing though, see this is, where is it? There we go, PWH. This is my merch that I've had for ages, but I've just reordered it. We've got new t-shirts, new sizes, and I think they look quite good. But when I'm doing dark hair, I'm going to have some white ones made with a black logo, and then when I'm doing blonde hair, I'll have a black one on with a white logo. But yeah, you can get these down in the description below if you want to grab one and rep it. But yeah, I'm gonna get this blow dried. But this is crazy. so much texture and layering in there. We've still got that length. We've got shape around the face. I'm going to get this blow dried and show you the finished result. We got any hairspray? I think we've got a bit of hairspray. I watched another video actually like this. This girl went out with wet hair into America because it's crazy temperatures. She did that, and her hair froze standing up. Right, now this looks crazy. Look at all that. That's mad. What do we think? I think for something that quick and easy, I think it looks absolutely banging, if I'm honest. What a simple hack to creating shape and everything. Is that a better picture? Yeah, look at that. You can see it. All that layer in there and fullness. I know I'll give it a blow dry, but look at her. Little bombshell. So yeah, I think this is the quickest and easiest way to understand how to do a butterfly cut. If you were sectioning it in Salon, I would, what would I do? I'd section it into 4 sections. I'd work with a guide through that middle point, and then I'd work every piece of hair up to there, cutting it, again, cutting it, again, cutting it. If you want to see a pro version of it for Salon use, let me know in the comments down below and I'll do it for you. But yeah, that's it basically. Work from a guide through here, bring it all up to there, cut it, and done. Stunning. Right, if you've enjoyed the video, thank you so much. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, let me know by hitting the like button, subscribe button. We're on our way to 100k, and comment down below of what you thought about this video. And then until next time, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, and let's go and smash 2023.